When you don't give the Bethel bill for the kids, your wife might think you don't care about the children. When your wife thinks you don't care about the children, she makes you sleep on the couch. When you sleep on the couch, you end up drowsy with a backache. When you wake up drowsy, you end up taking the wrong medication for your backache. When you take the wrong medication for your backache, your face goes numb. When your face goes numb, neighborhood children think you're a zombie.
Zombie!
When neighborhood children think you're a zombie, the neighbors think you're a threat to the neighborhood. When the neighborhood thinks you're a threat, they form an angry mob. When the neighborhood forms an angry mob, you get hit in the face with a 2x4. Don't get hit in the face with a 2x4. Don't not care about giving the Bethel build for the kids.